Well, once again, rain. Raining, raining, raining. It's all the time raining. Lots of rain. It's hard to dig in the rain. So, we're not digging. We're just waiting. I just lost power again, but now it's back on. So I'm waiting for my computer to fire back up again.
What are you doing?
Vlogging. Trying to get some lightning shots, but now it doesn't want the lightning or thunder. What do you think about that, Tiffy? Let's follow Tiffy and her adventures. It's Tiffy and her adventures. Dun 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 dun. What you gonna get, Tiffy?
I don't know.
She doesn't know. What do we got in there?
I don't know.
She don't know. And this we won't show you except for up in the ceiling, because I can't walk on the floor because it's Tiffy's room.
Good you try.
Excuse me?
Good you try.
Don't think so. What are you doing?
Cleaning up my paint.
Why? Because you're skipping drip?
No, I did just fine, thank you.
Is somebody crap in here? Holy crap.
I smell paint.
Or did someone fart? Run, peoples, run.
Yeah, it's probably Dad. He likes to walk into rooms and then fart to get out the door.
Smile on his face.
Don't listen to nothing they say.
Crap.
Yeah. Waiting on the rain to quit. So we're stuck on day 10. We found bones. Haven't been out there since. After today's rain, we'll probably have about 250 gallons to pump out of that damn hole. So there you have it. Yeehaw. Lots of rain. Well, earlier in this video, I was recording some rain on the back porch, but that wasn't even what was on the way to coming at the time. We had no idea the amount of rain that was getting ready to fall. As you can tell by our little wall, it was beat down. We got about 4.5, maybe 5 inches of rain in about less than an hour. I mean, it just dropped out of the sky like sheets.
That's what rain does.
It was crazy. But I can see from the sides of these walls already, we got some breakaways. Right now it's just too dangerous to get into. With that much water, there's danger of collapse there, and it's fun, but it ain't worth it freaking getting trapped in there. We'll wait. The water's actually went down some. It's probably dropped about 4 inches since yesterday. So we're gonna give it a couple days and let it freaking dry up a bit and see what happens. It's just not worth it to get down in there right now, is it? Is it? Is it? I'll push you!
this stuff here.
Oh yeah, right, taco. So if we can't dig no more, we did find them bones we showed earlier. There's the rest of them, all crusted over and stuff. That'll be a bummer, but not much we can do. So we'll keep you updated as we wait for all this water to drain. I mean, we could get out there and bucket it, but that's 500-600 gallons of water right there, and we ain't doing that unless you want to, Chris.
You got a pump?
No, we ain't got no pump. This is all